Hey feelers! Welcome to episode 124 of Feelings Explained. If you are still here, you're still watching, you're still listening, thank you for your support. Feelers, don't forget to follow our social medias, which is Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. So that's Feelings, XPLAINED.
As I've said before in our bonus episode, we are now open to your donations and support, monetary man yan o hindi. We appreciate it so much. Our bank accounts are now open. Please check our description box for that. And don't forget to click on the bell button to be notified for our next episodes.
Gian, what is your
Yes.
small win or shit of the week?
Okay, my small one is that my brother, he actually gave me this.
Oh, the lip.
Pero this one is a hand-me-down. So, ginamit-gamit niya na to. At ayaw niya daw yung shade na to. So,
Okay.
akin na lang daw. And I like it kasi I'm not really, hindi ako branded person.
Yeah.
Branded person. Basically, kung ano lang meron, okay na ako.
Yeah.
So, I'm humble.
I'm humbled by this.
I'm very humbled by this. So, thank you for my first Dior lip balm. And, you know, the bank account is really open for donation. So, I can buy myself. Sorry. Joke lang, guys. Pang ano namin.
Pang feelings
Pang
yun.
feelings yun, I swear to God. Yun lang naman, Pat. It's a very simple, small win. Kasi madami naman talagang win. How
Yeah.
about you?
Ako, I think the small win for me is that we're recording the very first video cast face to face in this home studio, this
my gosh.
amazing home studio with this PD and everything. The table is tabling, so that's amazing. I can't ask for anything more.
Pat, I heard you have a game for me.
Yes,
And I have a game for you.
Yes. So the
Okay.
title of our game is What's My Age Again? Okay. So if you've been listening to Feelings for a long time, you remember that we played this with one of our plus ones, si Zayn Malik. si Zayn.
Correct.
So, hi Zayn, if you're listening. Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift, what's their age?
Oh my God. Okay. 37 and 34.
Final answer. Sino yung 37?
37 Travis, 34 Taylor Swift.
Okay. The correct answer is 34 both.
That was so close.
But I'll give you half a point for that.
Okay, thank you. So, I'm 0.5 points.
Okay. Your turn, Gian.
Guys, ito ay isang kilalang direktor sa ABS-CBN.
Lauren Jogi. Okay.
Si Lauren.
I think he's 50.
Final answer?
Yeah, final answer.
No, actually, he's 46 years old.
Oh my God, alam mo, una ko naisip 47.
Okay, hindi pa rin siya tama.
Hindi pa rin siya tama, pero at least close.
Okay, so
Okay.
5.0.
Okay. Next. Lady Gaga.
38.
Final answer?
Yes.
Okay. Correct answer is 37.
Oh my God. Okay. Filipino but also popular in Korea.
Vinci. Sandara Park. Sino si Sarah? Si
Sandara
Sandara.
Park. Sige, Sandara Park. Ilang taon na?
34.
Oh. Final answer?
32.
No. It's wrong. She is actually 39.
Really?
Yeah, she's fucking amazing. Like, what? Yeah, she's 39.
Next is Zanjo Marudo. So, siguro makilala yung from Lady Gaga to Zanjo. Hindi ko sinasabing downgrade si Zanjo, ah. Ano lang, tumawid lang kasi. Oo.
Ito naman, grabe. Taga Batangas yan. Okay, Zanjo Marudo.
May shoutout sa Batangas. Ang hati ng Batangas, Zanjo Marudo.
Okay, Zanjo is 33 years old.
Final answer?
37.
Final answer, ah.
Yes,
Okay.
37.
He's 41.
Oh, wow.
No lies.
Also, congratulations to your wedding. Bakit di kami invited?
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
Next, this one is an iconic character. Cartoon character.
Okay.
Winnie the Pooh.
Ang pinag-usapan natin tao, hindi cartoon.
Universally known people.
O, sige, 150?
No.
100 years old.
No. Lower. Bibigyan ka ng clue.
Ba't ang ingay natin? Ba't tayo sumisigaw?
Exactly.
80?
Hindi.
Kasi,
Okay, wala na.
Wala
Ano
na.
yun? He is actually 76 years old.
Lolo. Lolo po. Okay, next is the incomparable Rebecca Ferguson.
I don't know her. Who is she?
She's a Hollywood actress who
Okay.
played mas kilala siguro siya ngayon ng tao as Jenny dun sa The Greatest Showman.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, she's
Okay.
she's
I'm familiar.
Tsaka sa Dune siya.
Okay, okay. I think she is 43.
Final answer.
Yeah.
Okay. She's 40.
One of our favorite SNL hosts, Tita Fey.
I think Tina Fey is around 51.
Final answer?
Yeah,
Nope.
47.
53.
Oh, I'm close. Okay,
Yeah,
sige.
close. Oh, next.
Next, your favorite
Oh my God, baka
singer of all time. Okay. Pilita ko ba?
Okay, Miss Pilita is 76.
Final answer?
Yes.
Okay. She's 84. And she looks good.
Yeah. Yeah. And, you know, Pooh looks younger. Well, Pooh is younger, 76. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Ayan o.
She looks so young. Okay.
Okay.
Last. Ito, favorite mo din to.
Taylor Swift?
Hindi.
Tatay Ice Spice.
Yeah.
I think nasa 24.
Oh?
Oh
Correct.
my God, I got a point.
Yeah. Yeah, so you won.
I won by half a point.
This show is brought to you by Pat and Gian's Blood, Sweat, and Tears.
As 29-year-olds, we have corporate jobs.
Yes.
So, what can you say about your job as a 29-year-old that will
Okay.
not incriminate you?
Actually, kinabahan ako dun Parang, kaya ko bang magpakatotoo, Char? Wait, the question is,
What can you say
what
about
can you say
your
about my job?
job as a 29-year-old?
Okay. First of all, sobrang laking role nung job ko right now. And, I mean, like, lahat ng jobs naman, even before turning 29, sobrang importante siya for me kasi sila talaga yung bread and butter ko, di ba? Alam mo
Yeah.
naman yan, na parang, no matter what, kahit na stressful siya or like talagang toxic siya minsan or what, it shapes you talaga. Parang kumbaga, para siyang muscle. Parang yung job ko, lahat ng jobs ko at yung current job ko ngayon, para siyang, in a way, mga different parts of my body na muscle na kailangan mo
Yeah.
lang siyang i-exercise na, okay, ito yung skill set na kailangan mong hasain at this time. And I think I've gained so much from all of my experience. I think kaya din naman natin gustong pag-usapan to kasi nga, ang hirap, parang in a day, ang laki nung kinokonsume ng jobs natin. Di ba?
Yeah,
That's
that's true.
Di ba? Kanina, may tawagan si Pat.
Yeah.
So parang, ang laki niyang part na minsan ang hirap i-detach ng sarili with
Yeah.
the work that you do. And to be honest, right now, I don't feel very good with life.
Yeah. The job, it's half of your life.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? And it's also half of your day. Like you wake up, let's say you have an 8 to 5 job. You wake up
Mm.
at 6 and then you travel to work and then you go home by, sabihin natin 5 o one type of employee ka. So you go home at 5. What time will you go home?
Exactly.
Given pa na traffic. Let's say, kung
2 hours ang
2 hours ang
biyahe mo.
biyahe, swerte ka kung malapit ka lang sa office. 'Di ba? So, it takes up so much of your time
Yeah.
na it also takes up like the time for you to like rest or
Yeah.
kaya importante din like you find time then
Oo.
for your friends and ano.
Totoo.
And tama ka din doon sinabi mo na parang it's ano siya, as much as ayaw mong magtrabaho, yung parang hilata na lang. I mean,
Pwede ba yun?
that's the dream. Alam mo yun? That's the dream.
Exactly.
Like that's the dream is for you to be born into an ultra rich family,
Oo.
'di ba?
Yeah. But even I think those people born into those families, I don't think they actually want that. I mean, na ganun lang.
Yeah. Pero kasi sa kanila, masali yung mga pinanganak sa ganung pamilya. A job is kind of it could be a hobby
Oo.
for them. Alam mo yun, like in a snap of their fingers. Pwede silang hindi magtrabaho. Tayo hindi naman natin
Iba.
reality yun eh.
Iba yung kumbaga iba yung role nung job nila dun sa buhay nila.
Yeah.
Dun sa versus dun sa middle class people like us.
Yeah.
Na parang pag wala kang job, wala ka rin kakainin, ganon. Or
Exactly.
man, pero 'di ba? Alam mo yung
Yeah.
gravity niya in our lives.
Yeah. Hindi siya yung yung, I mean, ako, blessed ako siguro sa work ko na din. And the money that I'm getting from where I
Yeah.
work na I can say na afford ko kahit papaano yung option ng leave without pay.
Oo.
Alam mo yun? May ganun. At saka if wala akong work, pwede ako maging pabigat sa magulang ko. I mean, ang pangit man pakinggan. Pero like,
Yeah.
I mean, alam kong susuportahan nila ako.
Exactly.
'Di ba? Pero yung ibang tao kasi hindi ganun. And the thing is, alam mo yung mga tao parang sinasabi, parang na 29 ka na, oh my God,
Oo.
bakit ganyan ka pa din? Or bakit, tas, ano siya it's also like a reminder to you na, oh my God, 29 pa rin ako. 29 na ako and this is still my job.
Exactly. My feelings, exactly.
'Di ba?
I mean, I'm sorry, I love what my job can offer me. Alam mo yun, parang never akong hindi naging grateful dun sa
Yeah.
binibigay ng job ko.
Yeah.
All of my jobs, to be honest. Like, when you look at it, kasi 'di ba, tanda-tanda ko, nung ginawa natin ang season 1, yung, I think episode 14 yun yung parang passion practicality or something.
Yeah, it
The
purpose.
burnout episode.
Oh, yeah.
The burnout episode, alam ko doon natin nilatag na parang, ano ba yung mga trigger, or hindi, ano ba yung mga nag-lead sa atin to be in that position of being burned out.
Yeah.
And si Rafa yung guest natin, yung dati naming producer.
Mhm.
So ngayon, parang when I look back at that, ang dami ko naman talaga na-gain. And even now, like, I still think of my other, the teams na naka-work ko, parang, ang laki talaga ng impact na binigay nila sa akin with my growth, with how I matured, etc. Pero parang, dadating din kasi sa time na enough is enough.
Yeah.
And I think I'm at the point where, even if it's enough, I can't do anything about it.
Yeah.
So, nandun ako sa parang feeling ko, to be honest, yung corporate life it feels like a trap right now with me because alam kong meron akong gusto, parang may mga creative pursuits ako na gusto kong gawin
Yeah.
na hindi ko pa siya magawa.
Yeah.
Ikaw ba, do you think you're at the right place right now in your career as a corporate slave? Sa manok slave, pero
A corporate girly, yeah.
corporate girly.
Ako, I think na there were opportunities that I definitely missed because of my fuck ups. I can say that as in tanggap ko siya. Like with therapy na tanggap ko siya.
Yeah.
Yeah. And andun lang sa akin yung parang regret. If I wasn't too careless,
Okay.
maybe I'm not in this position right now. I mean, don't get me wrong, hindi ako
Okay.
nagrereklamo
Okay.
ng sobra sa trabaho ko. But it's just that I feel so stagnant.
Mhm.
I feel like my job, it's not a dead-end job. Yung trabaho ko, hindi naman din siya super like routinary because you handle different problems every day. So,
May field work.
may field work ako, 'di ba? It's not every day. The process, of course, syempre routinary siya kasi palagi mo naman siyang ginagawa. But everything else, no.
Yeah.
Excited naman yung kahit paano yung trabaho ko, pero
Actually, yeah.
it's just that I feel so stagnant. Kaya interesting din sa akin yung parang sinabi ko kanina na 29 ka na tapos nandiyan ka pa din sa trabaho.
Wait lang, sino ba nagsasabi sa'yo niyan?
Ako.
O, di ba? Same. Cheers to that, girly!
Ako. Like, it's not, ito yung parang hindi ka mapakali, hindi ka masatisfy. So, I don't know what I need to fill.
I know.
But the thing is, I'm a mess.
Okay. I love the drama of that. I'm a mess.
I'm a mess, di ba? And being 29,
wreck. I'm a train wreck.
yeah,
Yun ang I'm ko ngayon.
I'm a train, same. This is the eye of the storm, guys. So,
Sabi na ito.
diba?
Okay,
And being 29, the idea of being 29 nung 18 years old ako was you have
Prim and
proper, pulido ka na.
Pulido
It's
ka
like the 30 flirt and thriving before the 30 flirt and thriving.
Exactly.
At least kahit paano doon sa 29, thriving ka na. Kasi pagdating mo ng 30, thriving ka na.
Oo, dapat.
Thriving ka na dapat.
Flourishing ka na dapat
Oo.
at that point.
So, me being this absolute of a fucking mess, a fuckwad, for that matter, parang, ang laki ng disconnect
Okay.
na,
I guess malayo lang yung projection dun sa current reality.
yes,
At the moment.
at the moment,
Feeling ko naman, hindi lang tayo yun. For sure, like,
For sure.
some of our listeners will feel the same, ganyan. Which is like, yun na nga eh. Actually, doon ako yung parang, alam na nga natin, di ba? Bakit nandito pa rin tayo? Gets? So, sino si Seth? Naghahanap na naman ako na si
So, sino mag-adjust?
Doon ako na-frustrate pala. Yun, parang, alam na natin. Ever since, parang very aware naman tayo about that. Pero, again, I guess the frustration is coming from why are we still in this position? So, sino sasagot? Wala akong scoop.
I think that is a problem for future us. Not to be like gagong sagot. But I think it's a problem for future us kasi I think we find the answers along the way. Like
Oh, yeah.
the problems that we had when we were 22 na worry natin and then we find out na tapos na tayo by 25 because we found the answers along the way.
Yep.
So I think it's a vicious cycle.
Oh, exactly.
Ang 29 and I feel like kasi 29 it's a turning point. Kasi when you enter 30s, syempre mas mataas na expectations mo sa sarili mo. Hindi pa kasama yung expectations ng society sa'yo.
Exactly.
So,
Totoo. Makes sense.
yeah, diba? So, it's a
Oh.
problem for future us. So,
Yeah.
future me, fix it.
may task list na parang, girl, ayusin mo yan. Pero totoo naman. And I think kasi there's so much pressure around aging or, aging gracefully.
Yeah.
Diba na parang kailangan nga, ito na. At saka kasi nga nakikita natin yung mga buhay ng ibang kasing edad natin na parang, why does it look like they have it now?
Yeah, like they have it all figured
Which
out.
is, I don't think they have it all figured out, but it looks like at the surface level na parang, why are they achieving this and that
Yeah.
and having this and that?
Yeah.
Like building a family. Alam mo yun? Parang ganon. Tapos ito, career pa din.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? Recently, I was in a call with this friend na hindi ko siya lagi nakakausap, pero alam ko na one of the trusted people in my life, ganon.
Yeah.
Towards the end of the call, akala ko babay na, tapos parang sabi ko, uy, can you pray for me? Parang ganon. Parang nagsabi ako sa kanya na, oh, can you pray for me? Ganyan. Oh, bakit? Bakit? Ganyan. Sabi nga. Tapos sabi ko, ganito. Parang, feeling ko kasi lost ako. Pero alam ko na madami akong pwedeng puntahan. Like, this is, like, career-related wise. Not
Yeah.
exactly just a job or what. This is the full picture of the career na parang, sa perspective ko right now, yun pala, I don't feel like I have a career. Like, I don't see myself saying na, oh yeah, I have a career in podcasting.
Yeah. Gets.
Or I have a career in acting. Parang
Yeah.
hindi ko alam.
It's a job.
Yeah. Like, for me, parang, okay, it's something that I'm very passionate about. Like, this, I love doing this. Like, ito yung sagot ko. If there's one thing that I want to do na, like, for the long term, it's really to build this. Like, build Feelings Explained, like, expand my condo. Charing.
Yeah, and build your brand.
Build my brand. Which is something that's very authentic para sa akin right now. Tapos, as I'm contemplating about my journey as a 29 years old nga, parang inisip ko, bakit feeling ko, sa dami ng opportunities, hindi ko alam saan yung lugar na pupuntahan ko talaga or tatahakin ko as a, like, sa next decade, basically.
Yeah.
Parang ngayon, nandun ako sa, I need to make a decision so I can plant that seed and go for it. Because I'm not, I cannot fucking settle here, right?
Yeah,
Like, you know this.
Like, parang ano siya, it's like, at the back of your head, you're thinking na, this can't be your peak.
Exactly. This is not the peak. This is
a base camp.
This is a plateau, actually, for me. Parang, girl, this is just something you have to go through. Alam mo yun? Na sige, tinatanggap ko siya. Ina-embrace ko na, sige, pahirapan niyo ako. Ganon. Penitensya. Parang, sige, magtiis tayo. Tapos, sinasabi ko sa kanya, yun nga, yung sentiments ko about it. Tapos sabi niya, G, sinasabi mo wala kang career. May career ka. May career ka sa ganito, ganyan. Tapos parang he reminded me of like, you can be a lot of things. It's okay that you want a lot of things. Tapos parang, oh my God, parang alam mo yung feeling ko na, shit, I'm allowed to want to be this and that and to be this and that.
Yeah.
Kasi parang for me, I feel so, parang like what you said, na parang feeling ko ang messy ko, ganon. Organized naman ako, pero alam mo yung internal me is really like, parang, ano yun, parang at war with each other na, I want this, but if I do this, this is the consequence, di ba? Tapos parang, natatrap na ako doon na parang, as in right now, pinag-iisipan ko talaga, Gian, choose your hard. Yun. Yung sinasabi sa sarili ko ngayon na parang, Gian, you have to choose your hard. It's hard to work out, but it's hard to also be a fucking lethargic bitch. Choose your hard, di ba? Parang, which is
Pick a
nabasa ko lang
struggle,
din.
yeah.
Oh, pick a struggle, pero make sure na yung struggle na yun, mananalo ka dun sa struggle. Kumbaga, you're benefiting from that.
That is so smart.
Yun. Tapos nabuhayan ako dun sa conversation na yun, na parang, yun nga, sabi ko, ganun pala. Alam mo kasi nga, minsan, kailangan lang may magsasabi sa'yo, di ba? Di ba? Parang ikaw,
Yeah.
kailangan mo magre-remind na, okay ka naman eh. Parang,
Yeah.
feeling mo messy ka, pero okay ka, ganun.
Yeah.
Feeling ko kailangan ko talaga yon more than ever. Kasi nawawala na ako ng color. Parang I'm so empty. Like, as a corporate girly, parang, okay, sige, I'm earning, but what's beyond that?
Yeah.
Nandun na ako ngayon, na parang, ngayon ko unti-unting nare-realize na, okay, Gian, nakuha mo na to. 'Di ba pinangarap mo to? Okay ka na dito. Ito lang yung dream mo dati. But you're expanding now, and the
Yeah.
dream has expanded. So now feeling ko, dahil, parang tapos ka na dun eh. Tapos ka na sa, okay, ito nagawa ko na. Kailangan ko na naman ng bagong shit. So, medyo pagod na ako, girl. Yun lang.
Alam mo, pag na-take away ko doon sa sinabi mo, nakakapagod maging ambisyosa.
Exactly.
I get what you're trying to say. Yung feelings natin ngayon very much aligned. Because,
Oo.
in the surface, kasi parang pag masarap kung hindi kita kilala, parang it looks like you have it all figured out.
Exactly what the other people are thinking.
Yeah, you have it all figured out. Like,
Yeah.
I know I'm drowning in my job, but I'm an awesome bitch. That's the vibe that you're giving, which is
Which is,
props to you. Yung itis
Oo.
ko na lang.
which, I honestly, ano yun? I piggyback on that. Kasi,
Yeah.
feeling ko, dun din talaga ako, kumbaga, professional na ako sa ganun. Not to pretend, but I just carry myself in that way, in a okay way,
Yeah.
despite behind the scenes.
Yeah,
diba?
despite everything.
Yeah.
So, how do you handle the things or the pressures of being a 29-year-old? Like, the pressures that you have on yourself, aside sa pressure ng ibang tao na binibigay sa'yo.
Oh my God. I think I'm handling it really bad right now.
Oh my God.
First time
Yeah.
ko masabi yun na parang, I'm not really handling it well internally. Kasi nga, again, what I project into the world is that I am good.
Yeah.
Where, not that I'm pretending, but that I'm okay. That kaya ko to. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Pero deep down, I'm really crumbling inside na parang,
Same, sis.
di ba na parang, I'm just torn. Yung parang torn ako kasi, alam ko naman yung mga gusto ko, pero parang, dahil nga sa mga nangyari in the past few months,
Yeah.
you know, check episode 122, please.
Yeah.
As reference, parang, ang hirap gumalaw ulit. Na iba na naman yung landas or yung path na bigla kong focus. Kasi nga, I need to survive first.
Yeah.
Yung ganon. Parang lagi lang ako survival na, tanga na pagod na akong mag-survive.
Yeah. Ako, I had this conversation. Parang nasabi ko sa kanya, we were eating lunch. Nasabi ko sa kanya na, I feel like na survival mode ako kasi it's not that I'm burnt out. It's just that feeling ko minsan abo na ako.
Oh.
Yawn.
As an ash.
As an ash.
Ash Wednesday.
Yeah. Ash Wednesday. Lord, sorry. Hindi, pero
The
alam mo yun.
references this episode.
Yeah. Pero alam mo yun, yung parang,
Yeah. Parang ubus na ubus ka na.
oo, iniisip ko na, I know I can still give.
Oo.
But the problem is, ang iniisip ko, naman din, mentally, until when can I give?
Yep.
'Di ba? At saka pero iniisip ko naman
Ano to,
din,
work-wise?
work-wise. Until when can I give?
Mm.
So, pero iniisip ko, but giving is also the job.
Yeah, it's
Ah,
part of the...
It's part of my job. Like, I really have to give. Kasi, yun yung task eh.
Oh.
So, hindi ko mahanap yung boundary of where should I stop? Kasi parang like, when a client calls you, when a client, and it's urgent, you have no choice.
Yeah, exactly.
Hindi mo naman din pwede sabihin na, ma'am,
I'm going through
nagsisleeping ako
something."
dito sa Antipolo.
Oo.
Hindi mo naman pwedeng sabihin na gano'n eh. At kahit although pangit to, pero kahit nakalive ako minsan, wala akong choice kung dumiretso sa'kin tas urgent,
Oo.
kailangan sagutin, 'di ba? Wala ka namang 'di mo naman siya puwede ipasa yung korte yung bola sa ibang tao na hindi naman gano'n kaalam yung full context, eh.
Exactly.
Like, no offense to my teammates,
Yeah.
they're doing a good job
Yeah.
sa pagsalo sa'kin and I'm very, very, very thankful. Pero siyempre nandun din yung iisipin mo din na, "Tangina pabigat ako sa teammate ko kasi siya sumasalo ng trabaho ko, eh." At saka siyempre andun yung inis factor na tangina bakit ako gumagawa ng trabaho kahit naka-leave ako or 'di ba?
Oh my God,
Pero
yeah.
pero alam mo sa sarili mo na kailangan mo din yung gawin so maiinis ka kasi naiinis ka,
Exactly. Exactly. Exactly.
'di ba?
Yeah. And here's the thing, like, we understand na, oo, may boundaries at pwede mo naman yung iset talaga. And for some working environments, pwedeng i-honor yun eh. Kumbaga normal at nirerespeto ka na may ganun ka.
Yeah,
Pero may mga jobs din na I don't think people understand na there's the fucking boundary. There's no such thing as a boundary.
yeah,
And it's not about being disrespectful. It's just part of the nature of the job. Which
Yeah.
is, hindi ko I don't blame my clients. Like,
Yeah.
literally, no. I
Same,
don't blame.
same.
I don't blame them. I understand. It's a business. So, parang,
Yes, I understand.
okay. Okay. Sige.
Just to give like a disclaimer lang ha.
Okay. Okay.
Kasi baka yung mga kliyente tayo at saka teammates na nakikinig.
Oo.
Hindi kami nagrereklamo na nagme-message sila during our leave. Nagrereklamo kami kasi naiinis kami. Kasi kinaiinisan namin yung feeling na bakit kami naiinis. Kasi pero tinanggap naman namin to. It's an us problem.
Yeah,
It's not a you problem.
Yeah. It's the reality that we put ourselves in. I mean, whether we like it or not, we have that job, so that's part of it.
Yeah.
Pero yun, masakit
At saka-
siya eh. Wow.
Oo.
Masakit siya. Pero yeah.
Pero I feel like amazed ako sa mga tao na who can like turn that off. Yung
Oh
parang
my God.
yung parang nag-message yung client tas parang no sorry hindi kita ma-assist during this time.
Yeah.
Like amazed ako sa mga taong kayang gawin yun because I absolutely cannot do it. Like nasa utak ko siya na you need to reply now or as soon as you can.
Yeah.
Hindi ko siya
Sometimes
turn off.
I'm switching between the two na parang sometimes I can na parang ino-honor ko talaga na no, I cannot. Parang I really cannot. Pero kapag alam kong idle lang naman ako, kaya ko naman physically kaya ko, I will. It's
Yes.
just for my own satisfaction or just so that I don't feel guilty of not replying, even if I am not really supposed to be guilty. Because like, sis, naka-leave po ako. I'm in Bali enjoying my fucking beach. Because that beach was made for.
As a princess of Genovia.
But do you think you are supposed to be where you are now? Like, honestly.
Honestly, I don't know.
Okay.
Bumalik ako sa panahon na nawawala na naman ako. I am once again lost in this vast wilderness of life.
Wait, anong year ka na lost na na-feel? Yun talagang parang, oh, alam ko, lost ako that time.
24, 25, 26.
Years old.
Years
Okay,
old.
okay.
May feelings na nun.
Oo nga, no?
Simula yung feelings up until 26, lost ako. Nakabalik ako ng 2 taon. Tapos biglang, oops, lost ka na naman.
Cycle of life.
Like,
I get it though, but I get it. Same. Am I same? Medyo same, actually.
oh my God. Every year, ano ba to? Every 2 years? Sorry.
May cycle eh. May cycle. Aquarius ka, di ba? Naku, charing.
Na.
Pero, oo, same. Actually, ako din eh. Kasi, ba't ba? Oo, ako din.
Eto, I have a question. Something positive naman, para meron man tayong positive sa episode na to. Hindi na siya, hindi siya dump lang. What are the positive things na masasabi mo as a 29-year-old worker? Masabi lang na may positive.
It's so basic, but that's a bare minimum a job can give me is that it helps me pay the bills.
Exactly,
That's
you
the-
have adult money.
Exactly. And I'm happy with the bills. I mean, I'm happy na yung bills ko naman, worth naman siya. Worth paying naman yung bills. Except yung Globe. Globe, kung hindi nyo kami sponsor, naku talaga, ikakat ko na yung line ko sa inyo.
Globe, bigyan nyo ng rewards.
Para may pangkain ng KFC. Charing.
may pang Krispy Kreme. From KFC to Krispy Kreme.
Sis, minsan nga, alam ko may movie pa yun eh. Or something. Ano.
Alam ko may 100 points sa AirAsia.
Oh, yeah.
Ako, same. More on access lang to adult money.
Yun.
Yun lang eh.
Yeah.
Like, I can buy shit and not feel guilty about it.
Yeah.
I can scroll e-commerce apps and be like, I want you.
Yeah.
Come home to mommy. Ganon.
Alam mo, ito ngayon, ang pinaka naiinggit ako, or nasa phase ulit ako na medyo naiinggit ako sa mga taong in love with their job
Oh,
and
yeah.
their careers. Na parang, they make it a point that they deliver. Kasi they love what they do.
Yeah.
Lagi naman ako nagsistruggle sa ganon. Ever since, kahit anong job ata yung puntahan ko, parang laging yun yung issue ko na, why can't I seem to love this? Parang siyang jowa na parang, okay, nung una, nung parang honeymoon period, okay kayo, no, sweet kayo. Pero nung, parang you got to know your true colors, the other red flags, then you realize na, oh, parang na-off ako, or this person is giving me the ick. Naiinis ako sa sarili ko na, why can't I find the perfect match?
Yeah.
Ito pa, to close the episode, ano na lang may papayo mo sa feelers na pinagdadaanan ng ganito, whether they're 29 or below, or whatever their age?
Ako siguro, it's just that you have to check in with yourself na can I look at myself in the mirror and say na hindi ko isinusuka etong trabahong to. Ano mo yun? Kung kaya mo pa siyang, kung if you can say that with a straight face and you don't feel guilty, you don't feel bad, continue. I'm not saying na if you have your passion, go for your passion. Hindi ako, dati, very gigil ako sa ganun.
Ganon.
Go for your passion, fuck the job. But no, you can't fuck the job because you need money.
Yeah.
It's good that you have your passion. It's good that you want to pursue them, but always remember that you also have to be practical.
Yeah.
My God, my 22-year-old self would say ick.
Will gag at
Yeah, will like say fuck you, you corporate sellout. Ganon. I can feel it.
I get it.
Pero alam mo yun, hindi lang kasi siya yung parang laro-laro lang eh. Aminin natin pera-pera lang yan. So, as much as possible, if you're earning a good, kahit paano I say a good amount of money,
Yeah.
if you can live, not survive, feelers, live with your salary, kahit paano, sige, magstay ka muna. If you can find greener pastures elsewhere, go. Hindi naman din siya like, hindi naman siya parang one track lang
Yeah.
palagi eh. And based sa patterns na nangyari sa atin, like what you said, parang there's another path.
Yeah.
Minsan, life will just put you another path. Baka kanya iba-block yan, tapos biglang,
Yeah.
di ba?
Yeah.
And I think, it's hell to go through, but I
Oh my
hope,
God.
I hope we'll find, or you'll find that light sooner rather than later.
Knowledge lang na priorities change. And your dreams, your dream jobs, whatever that is, can change. Parang,
Yeah,
itong perspective natin, syempre, layered na to ng experience natin, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang ganon. And it's really not, there's not, as we always say na parang there's no one size fits all type of solution to our situations. Kasi unique naman talaga siya, depending on your circumstance, etc. Pero parang, I think, ako hindi ko pa ito, I'm gonna be very honest, ito yung something na, ninanamnam ko pa siya na, you have to be honest with yourself.
Oh yeah,
Na
definitely.
parang, okay, what's working, what's not working? With this job, with the people that I work with everything, you have to be honest na, okay, ano ba talaga?
Yeah.
Anong purpose? Anong priority ngayon? Parang ganun. Kasi, if hindi mo i-figure out siya, life will fucking slap you in the face and say, this is why this is your reality. Parang ganon. Somebody will wake you up and it's not you, and that kind of sucks. Kasi
Yeah.
parang, oh, I should have known that, or at least I should have tried discovering that.
Yeah.
Na ganon. So, honesty is the best policy. Which is like so tiring kasi parang, yung parang,
It's a cliche for a reason.
iisipin ko na naman yun. Yung parang ganon.
Yeah.
Doon kasi ako nahihirapan na parang, akala ko ba ginawa ko na yun nung 25 ako? Bakit ngayon nandito na naman ako at naghihingalo? Alam mo yun?
Yeah, yun yung nakakapagod and yun yung kailangan maintindihan ng mga feelers.
Yeah.
Not the feelers or ng everyone.
Oo, ng kung sino man.
Sino man.
Oo.
Na it's so repetitive na maiinis ka but you have wala kang choice eh.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Ano, hindi naman kung pwede lang
Oo.
na si Lord magpapababa siya ng tao dito at sabihin, tanga ka. Ito yung daan, ito yung gagawin mo. Nagkakarisyon. Patricia, Gian, hindi yan ang tamang daan. Bumalik ka. Lumiko. Ito ang pera. I'm so sorry. Pero, alam mo yun, kasi siya nababaga, walang, huwag ka sana kung may manual siyang ibababa at sabihin, ganito maging successful. Ito ay made for you only.
Oh, exactly.
Cannot share.
Personalized
Oo.
for you. Yeah.
My God. Sana
God.
kit na gano'n, no? Success kit made by God. Let's close this show and we're having so much fun
I know.
with this episode. But where do we go from here?
Okay, besides being honest with yourself, I think, hand-me-down hand-me-down advice lang din to sa akin na parang isulat ko daw yung mga hindi ko pa nagagawa. Pero sinabi sa akin to na isulat ko daw ang mga kung saan ako magaling, sa tingin ko magaling ako, and parang just to figure out, just to lay the groundwork of like, where do I belong in this? Like, if you're the type na inaalam mo pa yung direksyon ng career mo, or whatever, or you want to have a career shift, parang it's good to know where you're good at, what you're good at.
Yeah.
And from there, I think, figure out na, ano din yung magpapasaya sa'yo, girl? Kasi, parang, for the longest time, tinatakbuhan ko yung mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa akin. Parang it's like living a lie, parang ganon. Parang feeling ko ganon siya na inauthentic siya for me.
Yeah.
So, hindi ako maging masaya completely,
Mhm.
which I think, important. Kasi nga, di ba, as we said earlier na, our work, our jobs, our career, makes so much of our lives. Or parang ang dami niyang nakukuhang oras sa atin, energy, na parang, ano ba naman yung piliin mo na yung kung saan ka masaya kahit papano, di ba? So, yeah, feeling ko, yeah, just be honest with who you are and what you want. Yeah, yun siya.
That's good.
That's where I'm gonna go.
Ako, I just wish to anyone who's been feeling what we're feeling
Yeah.
is that sana mabilis dumating yung feeling of being unstuck. Alam mo yun? A feeling na my God, ito pa rin, ito pa yun, ito na yun. Hindi ka nagrereklamo ka eh. Hindi ka nagrereklamo sa trabaho, nagrereklamo ka doon sa feeling na meron ka about sa trabaho. Because as much as possible, you want to love the job.
Yeah.
Kasi pag hindi mo na gusto yung job, you're fucked.
Yeah.
Alam mo yan, diba? So, I just hope that there's an end line for this kind of feeling because it's hell.
Yeah.
It's hell to go through. Nakaka-stress siya. Hindi siya
Yeah.
maganda for you mentally. Hindi siya maganda sa skincare mo. Kasi ako, tignan nyo guys, tingin nyo gusto kong peka sa mukha ko. Tingin.
Skinol.
Diba? Don't I be? My face is ready. You are not. Kapal ng mukha. Ako pa nagtiman. Sino ba ako?
Ivy, ano ba yun?
Diba?
Exactly. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
ayun, I just wish na matapos na siya,
Oh,
And-
the suffering, ganun.
the suffering.
Yeah.
At saka, I just hope na magkaroon tayo at saka yung mga taong nakaka-experience ito ng clarity, whether they're at their 40s, their
Yeah.
50s, no matter what age you are, magkaroon sana ng clarity. Hindi na ako aasa maglalagay si Lord ng how to be successful. Diba? Hindi na.
Yeah.
Okay na tayo dun. This has been a very, very fun episode. So, this has been Pat.
And this has been Gian.
Bye!
Bye!